Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. We love to pass along some worthwhile holiday gift ideas from time to time during the season. Asian cooking, especially Korean, has continued to grow in popularity, and perfectly cooked rice is a must. The Toshiba mini rice cooker is a 3-cup unit that goes way beyond the basics. It features fuzzy logic, a 24-hour delay timer. It sells on Amazon for under $80. Staying in the kitchen, Fritair is out with colorful and unique air fryers that feature a glass bowl base, so you can see what's going on. It includes a French tumbler for fries and a rotisserie too. The list is about $220. Another smart household gift is the Pelonis oscillating ceramic tower indoor space heater. It's a 23-inch tower with a programmable thermostat and an eco mode to save you money. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.